We are looking at how to pronounce those two words. How do they differ in their pronunciations? Because they do, they are not homophones, they are not to be pronounced exactly the same way. So let's understand how to pronounce those words. The top word is to be said as with. So you do want to produce a voiceless TH sound with your tongue between your teeth here, but you do not want to interrupt the flow of air when you pronounce the top word here, with. So you're not interrupting the flow of air, and you're not interrupting your voice either. With the bottom word, which is different, you want to say with. So you do want to put your tongue on top of your palate, just like if you were to pronounce a D. Interrupt the flow of air a little bit, and then put your tongue between your teeth to produce the TH sound. With. You have the length of an object, for example, and then it's width. Okay, so let's pronounce those two again. Width is the bottom word with the delicate, almost inaudible, but it is their D sound, width. The thing is that you're not voicing the D and the TH, so you're stopping your voice from producing a sound, width, while with the top word, you're saying with. With is the top word, with. I'm going for a walk with my friend. The bottom word is to be said as width, the length and the width of an object. I hope you could understand this. Are you able to pronounce those two correctly? Let me know if this was useful in the comments. Use the like button if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.